How to fix video call problem on Messenger. So the first step is by opening your settings, and then you should go down to the bottom of the screen and look for Messenger. And then right here, you should make sure to turn on both your camera and then your microphone right here. You may also turn it off and on once again just to refresh. Turn it off the microphone as well and turn it on. And then you should try the video call once again. If the problem continues, then you should also make sure that you have a working internet connection by going to your control center and make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If the problem still continues, then you should go to your settings once again and go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and look for Messenger right here. Click on Messenger and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App once again and reinstall the app once it is offloaded. Then you should try video call again, and then there you go. That's how you can fix video call problem on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.